Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to put your car in your inventory in Bloxburg. So first we're going to go to our Roblox account. Then we're going to search for Bloxburg. So we're going to click on this style as you can see, then click on play. So once it loads, we're going to click on play, then buy plot. As you can see, we're in the gameplay. Then next we're going to click on interact, then build mode. As you can see, we're in build mode. So we're going to click on build and vehicles. As you can see, there are numerous types of vehicles we want, depending on the money we have. We can purchase them. So with the money I have, I'm going to purchase the $2,400 cab. So we're going to put it in our loan. And once we're done, I'm going to click on X. So now we can use the car, depending on the car we bought. We can use them to accessorize our playing. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.